Well, Dr. Box says she kept her circle small and she still tested positive for coronavirus. So tonight, state leaders are issuing a warning. Even the smallest gatherings can be problematic if basic health guidelines are not followed.
Fox 59's Courtney Ground live in the newsroom now with us. So Courtney, what do they want Hoosiers to do now to protect ourselves?
Well, Bearshell, Governor Holcomb noted some people seem to be letting their guards down at events like weddings and funerals. But now is as important as ever to be strict about the safety plans.
The assumption is that you need to behave as if you were infected or as if others around you were infected.
Indiana University public health experts advise people to keep your social circle as small as possible, like within your own household. They note the cases in the count are only a part of the total COVID cases spreading.
There's many asymptomatic or pre-symptomatic cases, which means that today I'm talking to somebody that appears to be fine. And yet they can already be infectious.
In stage 5, all capacity limits are removed for social gatherings and meetings. Governor Eric Holcomb alerted Hoosiers Wednesday about the concerns of even small gatherings like weddings and funerals.
It's just easier to let your guard down and be more trusting and just assume that the odds aren't there working against you. And then forget about the face mask and the social distancing. Those events are the very events that turn out to be big contributors to our positive cases.
Holcomb says where safety protocols are not practiced, the cases are spreading. With plans in place, the outcome can be different.
We are proving that you can go to a Colts game or a soccer game or school or go shopping, and you can do it safely.
But some public health experts say it doesn't matter how big the event is. We all have a responsibility to stop the spread. They say to think of COVID-19 spread as a chain.
If we remove some of those links, we're breaking the chain and therefore stopping the process of infection. So that's exactly what we're doing. By removing the links or distancing the links from each other, we no longer have a chain.
Well, the 7-day positivity rate is just over 5% tonight. Experts urge us to continue wearing masks, social distancing, and of course, washing our hands. Reporting in the newsroom tonight, Courtney Crown, Fox 59 News.
Courtney